Welcome back sa ating channel, guys. It's our second day here in Brunei, and today also, guys, is we will be magbo-border crossing tayo because alis na tayo ng Brunei and we'll be heading to Kota Kinabalu. That will be our exit country going back to the Philippines. So ngayon, since close yung ferry going to Kota Kinabalu, we will be crossing the border via bus, no? So magbabas tayo. So, yung bus na sasakyan natin later is from the company of Sipitang Bus Express. And it is located, yung terminal nila is sa Gadong Night Market. The one that we explored last night. No, so ngayon, we are already packing. We are packed up. Naghihintay na lang kami sa aming sundo dito sa aming hotel sa Grand City. So the border crossing for the bus to the Kota Kinabalu will take us approximately 8 hours. The stamp, guys, according to the vlogs that I have read and saw, is nagko-consist daw siya ng 8 stamps. I do not know. Kasi there are a lot of crossing borders between the country of Brunei and Sabah, Malaysia. Prior pala sa ating border crossing ngayon is nag-book na kami ng ticket sa bus in the online. You can book the ticket, guys, in Book Me Bus app or directly in the website of Sipitang Bus Express. Nasa yung availability ng seat ng bus, nag-a-appear siya 3 weeks pa, 2 to 3 weeks prior your departure. And the bus frequency ng Sipitang bus, guys, is ano lang siya, 4 times a week. So the day after tomorrow na yung next na trip. So plan ahead, no? Plan carefully with your trip if you are planning to cross the border the Kota Kinabalu from Brunei. Yes, we have checked out already. And we are now on yung terminal bus is just right. Parang mga nasa 2 minutes lang from our hotel accommodation. That's our bus na, guys, going to Kota Kinabalu. It's under the company of Sipitang Express. And it's just Sultan. Luggage. Ay, may arrival card pala. Yan, guys. So, sinandan na kami ng QR code. QR code din pala arrival from Malaysia and Brunei. So, when border crossing is, you have to fill in again arrival card with the links sa Brunei, tapos arrival card again for the Malaysia. Picture ng bus. Tapos meron silang footrest, malaki yung space, guys. Ano na? Legroom. Tsaka you can also book pala sa Sipitang at easybook.com. Actually dito kami nag-book sa easybook.com. You can pay your ticket here by your credit card, GCash, and yun lang. Any digital platform na payment. Na-book namin ko bus namin, guys, for around 2,000 pesos. We book this ahead 3 weeks before the departure time. So you always have to pag mag-border cross kayo papunta Kinabalu, you have to secure your bus ticket kasi yung bus, yung border crossing, yung schedule lang ng bus, guys, is once lang siya in a day. Tapos hindi ko siya daily. So, ang schedule niya is every after 2 days pa yung trip. So, you have to plan already your border crossing if you plan to do this. After 40 minutes, guys, is nasa first border control na kami. Palabas ng Brunei. Hand over din yung passport. Tapos na-stamp yung ating passport. So let's go. Enter na naman tayo ng Malaysia, guys. Our first entry in Malaysia. Another stamp na naman po. This is our second stamp. This will be our second stamp entering the country of Malaysia in the state of Sabah. Second stamp.
Our third stop.
Okay, our third stop is done. We are departing. Yan. Yan na guys, with our fourth stamp for this trip. Currently, sa ating land border ngayon is naka 4 stamps na tayo. So, we will now be traversing the country of Brunei. Tapos, exit na naman mamaya sa Malaysia. I think we still have 2 immigration na tatahakin. Saka tayo papasok na talaga sa mainland ng Sabah. Mako-compare mo talaga yung immigration ng Brunei at saka Malaysia, no?
Oo. In terms of immigration, airport.
Perfect.
Philippines is okay din.
No, so, ang yaman ng Brunei.
Yes.
Mayaman si Brunei.
Yung kanina, yung sa Malaysia, naku, takbuhan.
Ala, perfect. Ama. Our 5th stop.
Time out na good day.
Time out na natin. This will be our 6th. Naka-5th stop na tayo guys. We have exited again Brunei. I think this will be our last stop before we will head straight to Kota Kinabalu. Our last stop. In totality guys, we've got 6 stamps. This will be our last immigration border passport control, and we will now be entering the mainland of Sabah, going to Kota Kinabalu. In totality sa trip guys, parang short lang yung total travel time talaga, nasa mga ano lang siya, 5 hours. Nadagdagan lang ng mga additional 3 hours because of the passport control. Kaya nag-total siya into 8 hours trip. So we are now in Sabah. So we have 1 hour lunchtime break here. Lunchtime guys, kaso lang ginamit alam ko saan kami kakain. Tsaka wala pa kaming pera because wala pa kaming na-withdraw na ringgit. Saan kami ngayon kakain? Dito kami ngayon sa isang local restaurant here in Malaysia. Guys, we have a problem here sa boarding crossing. Kasi yung pera namin is $9 pa. I mean, wala talaga kaming pera. Tapos yung mga restaurant here sa Malaysia, somewhere in Malaysia is ringgit lang yung ina-accept niya. So what happened? Wala kaming pera. Buti na lang itong restaurant namin kinainan is nag-i-exchange sila ng money. So I have extra Brunei dollars. So yun ang pinakalit ko to get a ringgit. Ito yung restaurant guys. I don't know the name. Basta yung banda si sir, yung manager nila. Nag-exchange siya ng pera. So far, he only accepts Brunei dollars and US dollars na pwedeng ma-exchange siya sa ringgit. Yeah, so, buti na lang nakapag-exchange tayo ng ringgit. So, makakakain tayo ng lunch. Right ang naman. We are done with our lunch, guys. So, from here, I think parang straight na tayo to Kota Kinabalu. Pero sabi pa ng aming driver is may isa pa daw border crossing, no? That comprises 8 stamps in total. Well, let's see kung meron ba talaga. Tayo na to our last Friday crossing. Ayan guys, naka 7 stamps na tayo. So meron pa isa, 1 last stamp para tuloy-tuloy tayo pa Kota Kinabalu. Naka-order na ang mga bag. So after 8 hours, we have arrived at KK Central dito sa Kota Kinabalu. It's officially welcome to Kota Kinabalu. Ito yung KK Central guys. This is where you can also book. No? So here is yung transportation nila na gagamitin natin is Grab, since the Grab working on this country. Sa Brunei kasi is exclusively Dart app na talaga yung gagamitin for the ride-hailing apps. So medyo strict and very private si Brunei, no? Nagka-grab, wala kami ng grab guys. We are now on our way to our hostel. So this time is hostel yung stayhan natin. And it's quite different from the hotel experience that we had in Brunei. Ito yung Kota Kinabalu guys. Parang may pagka LA vibes. Tsaka yung aming hotel. Dito pala kami sa Escape Backpackers. Nasa 3rd floor siya. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, ayan mo. Malaki lang luggage ko guys. Tapos, nasa 3rd floor pa siya. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, ito ba yung oh my god. Walang elevator guys. So, hagdanan. Oh my gosh. Ang laki ng malat ko. Ito yung accommodation natin. Diyos ko Lord. Nice. Ito yung nakuha namin na accommodation. This is Escape's Backpackers in Kota Kinabalu. Para sa accommodation namin guys is may free na breakfast. Common lang yung CR nila. Ngayon is lalabas kami. Mag-withdraw muna kami sa ATM at saka mag-exchange ng money. Tapos pupunta kami ng Filipino night ticket. We are now here on the street. So our first agenda is mag-withdraw tayo ng cash kasi wala tayong cash. Napaka-vibrant din ng city center ng Kota. We are inside of one of the biggest mall here in Kota Kinabalu. This is just only in front of our accommodation. Yung kanilang mall guys is parang trade center sa atin. Maraming mga concessions na mga cellphones at each other. So hanapin muna natin yung ATM at saka yung money changer. We're done withdrawing our cash. No? Malaysia guys, or yung Kota Kinabalu, they accept Alipay payment. So if you are already used of paying Alipay, you can use it. So right now we are walking towards Filipino market. Kasi Filipino tayo, so we need to tangkilikin natin yung ating sarili atin. Si Tadinesti actually walking distance lang yung Filipino market guys, coming from the Escape sa ating from our hotel. Yun na yung hotel nating banda. Tapos dito tayo lalakad. Okay, so nandito na tayo guys sa Filipino night market, Filipino market. Very near lang talaga siya sa ating accommodation. My gosh, this is so full of wow. Oh, mango. Guys, ito yung nasi katok. Yung nasi katok is a fried chicken.
1 by 2, 60 ringgit.
By 2 na lang naman.
Discount 2 ringgit.
God, itadakimasu. Si ma'am is, ano lang yan? Pas noodles lang lahat. Si Sir EJ is, may rice din siya. This one is 3 ringgit, nasa mga 30 pesos. This one also 30 pesos. I got mine for 3 ringgit. Itong dalawa. Tsaka this one is 2 ringgit each.
Pwede ko ano yung pag-tip. Exchange lang. Pwede ma'am. Ayo. Dry.
Guys, dito kami kumain. Tapos dito banda may mga souvenir shop. Mga food delicacies of Malaysia. Oh, mura lang, 10 ringgit. So let's see what we can buy here.
Terima kasih.
Ano ba ito? 5 ringgit. Parang pretzel. Ano ba yan? Isa ni, bulat? Arwana. Dried fish. Ito yung mga bentahan dito guys. Marami sila mga dried fish dito. Coffee. May coffee din dito guys. How much is this? Nasa 8 ringgit, 18 ringgit. We're done with the Filipino market guys. At saka nakapag-ano na kami, nakapag-dinner. So right now we're now here in our accommodation. So babalik na tayo at saka matutulog na kasi medyo tired na tayo from the border crossing na ginawa natin kanina. So by tomorrow is another na naman na agenda. And probably is mag-ikot-ikot tayo sa town proper ng Kota Kinabalu. No? This is will be our first time visiting in this area here in the state of Sabah, Malaysia. No? So that's all for this video. See you on our next Kota Kinabalu trip video.